Are you tired of your gaming PC stuttering during intense battles or taking forever to load your favorite games? If you're ready to experience gaming the way it was meant to be, let me tell you about the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro that's been absolutely crushing it on Amazon. This powerhouse comes loaded with the AMD Ryzen 9 7900X processor, which is honestly a beast when it comes to multitasking. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or running multiple applications, this 12-core processor handles everything without breaking a sweat. Pair that with the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T with 16GB of VRAM, and you're looking at ultra-high settings on virtually any game. We're talking ray tracing, DLSS, and those gorgeous visual effects that make games look almost photorealistic. What really impressed me is the 32GB of DDR5 RGB RAM running at 5200 MHz. This isn't just about pretty lights, though the RGB does look incredible. This amount of high-speed memory means you can have dozens of browser tabs open, Discord running, maybe some streaming software, and still game smoothly. No more closing programs to free up memory. The 2TB NVMe SSD is another game changer. Your games load in seconds, not minutes. I'm talking about going from desktop to in-game faster than you can grab your drink. Plus, with 2 TB, you can install your entire Steam library without constantly juggling storage space. Here's something most people overlook. This comes with NVIDIA Studio drivers, which means if you're into content creation, video editing, or 3D rendering, this machine transitions seamlessly from gaming beast to creative workstation. Thousands of buyers have praised this versatility in their reviews. iBUYPOWER includes a keyboard and mouse, so you're literally ready to game right out of the box. No hunting for compatible peripherals or waiting for additional shipments. Everything arrives together, and you can be gaming within minutes of setup. This system is consistently rated as one of the top gaming desktops on Amazon, with buyers specifically praising its performance, build quality, and incredible value for what you get. When you consider buying all these components separately would cost significantly more, plus the time and expertise needed to build it yourself, this pre-built option makes perfect sense. If you're serious about upgrading your gaming experience and want a machine that'll handle anything you throw at it for years to come, check the link below for today's Amazon deal on the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro. Your future gaming self will definitely thank you.